So Test cricket is in the air again with the West Indies in the process of losing again. But my issue this evening has to do with Australian wicketkeeper Tim Paine stepping down as captain ahead of the upcoming Ashes series because of some text messages and a picture he sent to a woman at his club Tasmania 4 years ago. And apart from the story now mysteriously jumping out in the public space out of nowhere 4 years later, that aside, why are text messages and a picture sent from one consenting adult to another? Why is this a big enough issue that the man had to resign his post as the Australian Test captain in embarrassment? Me don't get it. And by the way, at the time, the issue was ventilated and investigated by the integrity unit of the Australian Cricket Board, and Paine was cleared of any breaches of the board's code of conduct. So the case was supposed to be closed. And now out of the blue, a grown man propositioning a grown woman in his own style with the use of technology. And him end up having to call press conference and a ball like a baby in stepping down from his position in shame 4 years later. To send a text to a woman. Yeah, hear me? Let me delete all of my texts. Let me delete all of my texts and the picture of them.